How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the HBI Auto YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a POV drive on this 2012 Ferrari 458 Italia. So if you're not too familiar about these 458s, this car is actually very special as it is actually the last naturally aspirated V8 engine that Ferrari has produced. So this car came with a 4.5 liter V8 engine that produces 562 horsepower and can get you a top speed of 202 miles an hour. It'll also do 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds. Another really cool thing about this engine is it actually set a world record. This 4.5 liter engine actually makes 135 horsepower per liter, which was the highest out of any naturally aspirated engine ever made. Probably my favorite thing about the 458, honestly, besides the performance, is the steering wheel. This is one of the most iconic steering wheels of all time. This was used in Thrustmaster steering wheels that a lot of kids played Forza on when they were younger, I'm sure. You have everything on your steering wheel. Your turn signals are here as well. You have all your drive modes. The engine start button is also on the steering wheel, your headlight settings, as well as setting your different suspension setups. Another really cool thing about the steering wheel is you do have a shift light here on the top of the steering wheel, and it makes it easy for you to know exactly when you have to shift the vehicle, as this motor does rev up all the way to 9,000 RPMs. This car actually does have a 7-speed dual clutch transmission in it, and it makes the driving experience so much better. With the previous generation Ferraris, you did have that F1 paddle shifted gearbox, which was a lot more of a downgrade than this one is. This one is super smooth. You don't get all the clunkiness and all the bump and shakes that you get with the old F1 transmission. This is definitely a world of a difference. So now let's actually hop outside of the car and show you what this car looks like from the outside. Here is the beautiful 2012 Ferrari 458 Italia. You have a black on black with a black interior. As you can see, you have red calipers to complement the black paint on this car. You have carbon ceramic brakes, and as always, you have the yellow badges. Now, let's hop over to the back of the car. I can show you this awesome 4.5 liter world record setting engine that comes in this vehicle. So, lift that up. See right there, you have that awesome 9,000 RPM capable 4.5 liter V8 engine that is in this Ferrari 458. That wraps it up for today's POV drive of this Ferrari 458. If you guys are interested in purchasing this vehicle, all the links will be down in the description below for you to get all the information you need on this car. That being said, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.